It's been a long time. Oh, I feel weird. Okay, so, hello. Thank you for clicking on my video and for subscribing. And before we even do any of this quick snacks and meals, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So anyways, today I wanted to do a quick meal ideas. These are little snacks and meals that I do when I am low on time or just if I'm being lazy, to be honest. I eat these often, more often than I want to admit. So just some quick ideas. So for the longest time I wanted to record this video, but I just made every excuse in the book not to do it, and I was also not feeling good. I literally recorded this video and I was like that's not me, that is not like how I am. And anyways, follow me on Instagram, Lorena Bella Vida. I post my my workouts on my stories, and sometimes I will post them on my feed. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a couple snack ideas, so let's do that. So I am actually going to go to the gym soon, and I'm going to be doing a protein shake, and I'm going to be using almond milk, and this is the one that I get from Aldi, and it's 30 calories, and I love it. It's unsweetened. Make sure you get the unsweetened. I have PCOS, so I shouldn't have dairy. I still do, but I try to replace it however I can. But this is really, really good. I eat it with like cereal if I'm going to be eating cereal, which the only kind of cereal that I eat is this one, or that I should eat, I should say, is like this. This one has 9 grams of protein. There's some other ones that have like 11 grams or 12 grams. It's the red one, but I don't like the red one because it's almost like bird food. So anyways, I'm okay with 10 grams and 11 grams or whatever. So this one's 9 grams of protein, and there is like 26 grams of carbs, and then 4 grams of fat. So compared to other cereals, for example, so this is my hubby's cereal. I love these. So he's got 1 gram of protein, 23 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. So the carbs are actually pretty not too bad here, but there's no protein. So anyways, I try to make sure there's some protein in what I am eating. So this is what I have at the moment. And back to the protein shake. I'm also going to be using Rule 1 vanilla flavor, cookies and cream flavor. We got something different this time. So this is my husband, and he lets me have some. So did I say that? My husband? That's my husband's protein. I'm going to be adding about 1 cup of almond milk into this, and I actually have a scale that I recommend if you guys are tracking your food while it's dirty. 1 scoop is 1.5 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 24 grams of protein. And I don't count, I'm saying the net carbs of everything. So 1 scoop of cookies and cream. I'm gonna blend this up. There it is. Delicious. So now I'm gonna be doing like a breakfast quick snack. I'm actually gonna have this for breakfast tomorrow morning, so I'm just gonna prepare it for me to grab and go tomorrow. So I will sometimes buy like a whole tub of these. We buy 2 kinds. We buy the Oikos, Dannon Oikos 000 blended Greek yogurt. So this one has 110 calories. It's got 0 grams of fat. Can't do math. 7 grams of net carbs, and then 15 grams of protein. And then this one here is called Friendly. This one's from Aldi. This one you can get at like Walmart, Jewel, Target, every single other place. This one, I got this one specifically at Aldi, but you can get the Greek 100 anywhere. So this one has 100 calories only, 0 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. So it has slightly less grams of protein, and it has a little bit more carbs than this one does. Today I'm going to be using this one. Alright, so I've got my yogurt in here. I actually forgot to add a scoop of protein to my yogurt to give it extra protein. So I'm just adding 1 scoop. And if you feel that it got too thick with the protein powder, you can always add almond milk. So this is what it looks like now with all of the yogurt and protein. Yum. It's a little runny. I think I added too much almond milk maybe. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some strawberries. Like I said, PCOS, anybody who has PCOS should stay away from other fruit just because it has a lot more sugar and things like that. So berries are better, but I'll have them occasionally, like the raspberries and the blueberries, but strawberries are what I prefer, even though they're not they shouldn't be the first choice, but they're my first choice. Compromise. So these are just regular strawberries. And I'm just gonna do 5 of them, and I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna put them in the bowl. All right, so now we've got some yogurt with some fruit, and you can even add like 2 yogurts if you want. Now I'm gonna be adding some of this. I use this as cereal, but also as like granola for yogurt. So I just want to show you. So this is actually plant protein and multi-grain clusters with cranberries and blueberries. 16 grams of whole grains, 8 grams of fiber. So yeah. So for this one, the actual serving size is 51 grams, but I'm only gonna do half of that. Okay. I'm so excited to eat this tomorrow. So this is what it looks like now. We've got some strawberries. You could always add like blueberries and stuff like that. And then I've got my cereal / granola, my Greek yogurt, plus the protein is in here. And this is my breakfast for tomorrow. Let's move on to something even easier than this. This was pretty easy, but this is even easier. So I bought this salad bag from Aldi. This one has I believe it is about 300 and something calories. Comes with tortilla chips, Greek yogurt, jalapeno dressing, 4 cheese Mexican blend, green cabbage, romaine lettuce, red cabbage, carrots, and green onion. And it tastes really good. My mouth just watered. And then, just to make this even easier for you, you could buy chicken and boil it and all of that. Or you could do what I did and buy rotisserie chicken. And I just took off the skin and everything, and I shredded it, and all you do is measure how much you want to take for your salad, put it in a container, and take it to go. Literally. I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna do 107 grams. That's just what came up on my thing, and this is how much chicken I'm taking, and I'm just gonna put this in a bowl at work, put this in there, and eat it. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. I'm going to try to remember to take a picture of it tomorrow so I could show you how easy and how delicious it looks. I've gotten comments at work like, what are you eating? Like, that looks so good. I also wanted to show these Quest bars. They're really good. So I'll have them just if like I didn't prepare my breakfast and I'm running super late, then I'll just have it with coffee. I also wanted to show these that I found at Aldi. They're cookie thins. They're really like small cookies like this size. Serving size is 6 of them for 130 calories, 6 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. I mean, they're not good for you, but if you really feel like you need to have a cookie or something, this is a good option. So for the last meal that I'm going to be showing, I'm going to be making a sandwich. So normally I will make this with sandwich thin that you can get at Walmart, or you can get it at Aldi as well. But today I'm just going to use this Fit&Active 100% whole wheat, whole grain bread, 35 calories per slice. You're going to need some cheese. Like I said, I still eat some dairy. If you have any recommendations for cheese that are delicious, please leave them in the comments below so that me and other people can go down there and check. So this is the sliced non-smoked provolone cheese, and this is from Walmart. It's their great value brand. The cheese and macros are 70 calories per serving, which is 1 slice, and it has 5 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein. And then you can use any type of ham that you like, but I'm going to be using this one right here, and it's 60 calories for 2 ounces, which is about 2 slices. Excuse me. So it's 1 gram of fat, 4 grams of carbs, and then 10 grams of protein. I'm also going to be doing egg whites. This is also the Walmart brand. It's cage-free, 100% liquid egg whites. And so for this one, it's 25 calories per 3 tablespoons, and it's 0 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein. And I'm also going to be adding avocado. I usually add avocado. Today, my avocados, I think it's still a little green, and I don't want to risk it, so I'm just going to wait a little bit on this one. I'm going to add tomato, and then I normally also add onion, but I ran out of it. So, and I do also add spinach, and the most important ingredient for this is Cholula sauce. It just makes it taste so much better, at least for me. If you like spicy stuff, this is your jam. I do toast the bread, I toast the ham, and of course I make the egg. And I do like to also put this on the pan as well. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toast, or put my bread in the pan. I'm not even going to toast it, I'm just going to put it in the pan. Many people have asked me what I eat in a day, and this is what I could eat in a day, and what I do eat in a day sometimes. I used to have the sandwich for dinner all the time, because there was a time that, actually I still struggle with having dinner. Dinner is like one of the hardest parts for me. It is, I am not hungry, and I know that there's chips and I just rather eat chips than have a meal, you know. So that's, dinner is the hardest part for me. Lunch, I only have one lunch to take to work, so if I take it, I will eat it. Breakfast, I feel like I choose pretty decent things for breakfast, but for dinner it's just really, really hard. So the sandwich got me through dinner because it was like appetizing to me. I was making sure I was getting some protein in. Bread is toasty, and I'm gonna put 2 slices of provolone cheese so they can melt on the bread. My mouth just watered. And I'm gonna see how 2 slices look on here. I might do like 3. I usually get some other round ones from Aldi. They're really thin, but today I'm using these. Anyways, I'm still trying to get back to like being like strictly low carb. I've really slacked on that, and it's just hard once you like stop doing that to go back to it. Not that it's like a bad like way of eating. Like, I felt great doing low carb, but it's just like it's hard, you know. There's so many temptations, and then when your husband's bulking over here and you're like not bulking. Anyways, no, but you know, those are just excuses. I know that if I really wanted this, if I really wanted to do low carb, I would do it. So, you know, I'm actually gonna give my husband the sandwich because I don't want it to go to waste, and I'm not gonna eat it right now. So toasty. So good. Do you want more ham, baby? No. So good. I'm gonna add my egg because I forgot about my egg. So I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. So it looks like serving size 1 tablespoon is about 120 calories, 14 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 0 grams of protein. I'm not even gonna do a full tablespoon. I'm just gonna do a little bit. All right, so I would actually recommend that you make your egg beforehand. I don't know why I did it after the ham, and so some of the burnt came off. So do your egg before your ham, so that your egg doesn't end up looking like mine. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up this tomato, and like I said, I'm gonna toast it a little bit. So I'm just gonna do 2 little slices. I hope that this answers some of your questions, but I do want to do something more in depth. So I'm also gonna be adding spinach to this. So 3 cups is 20 calories, 3 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. I don't even add 3 cups to this, so I'm gonna be adding like this much of spinach. So this is where I would add the onion, the avocado as well. And now I'm gonna add some Cholula sauce. Oh my goodness, we're running low on the Cholula. So delicious, delicious, delicious. And now I'm gonna add some of that spinach on top, and then I'm gonna finish off with the bread on top. I'm actually gonna toast this a little bit more so that the cheese can melt off a little bit more. When you're using the thins, it does, because they're so thin that the cheese melts right on it, but this one's a little bit thicker. Voila, this is what it looks like. It's really good, and it, like I said, it's just missing onion and avocado. Do you want to take a bite?
Sure.
You better say it's good. Well, be honest.
I like.
Maybe if you don't like something, it's the bread.
I like how the crunchiness is there. The proteins, the hot sauce. It's perfect. It's great.
The layers.
Exactly.
Thank you, Chef Ken. Oh, I take it. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you like this video and try the recipes. Let me actually take a bite out of this because I'll let you know. I wasn't sure about the bread, and I still would prefer the sandwich thins, but it's not bad with this bread. So try it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's time for me to go hit the gym. So it's leg day, even though I'm flexing upper body. I can't flex my legs, you know, up here. But yeah, Thank you guys for watching.